Hi, I'm Andrew with Baker's Gas. We're here today with 3M's 9100 XXI. So in this video we're going to go over the functionality of this hood, what it does, some of the different things, when it came out. So just to jump right in, this hood has been out for quite some time now. Even though it's not old, right, but it's been out for a number of years, it is still one of the top selling hoods in the country today. I mean, it is very, very popular. People that buy 3M hoods, they know what this hood is. The 9100 XXI came out and it had the, I guess you could call natural color state when you were welding with it, or the resting shade, but it's a resting shade of 3, but it had a natural color state of, as far as when you strike an arc, you can see other things around you. So, you know, the peripheral of it was awesome. So when it came out, but it's still very, very popular today. They are awesome hoods. They hold up good. The warranty's great. We don't really see many of them come back for warranty. But as far as fab shops, I see a lot of people flux core, MIG welding, stick welding. They love these hoods. So let's just jump right into popping out the lens here. So what I wanted to show you, that this has got an external grind cut button, and you hit that button and it'll flip it over to grind or cut. It's got the bigger peripheral lenses in there so you can see through them when you're welding, but it gives you like a good side function on what you're going to see. But to get that front lens out, you got to go inside of it, and they're just tabbed inside, which is pretty unique. But that comes right off, and that's how you change that front lens, which is very simple to change. It just pops out, goes back in. But you can see we got 3 sensors on this unit too. So 1 at the bottom, 2 on the sides. Pretty decent size viewing range on this. Like I said, easy to swap that lens out, easy to do. Let me pop that lens out here so we can show you. And there again, you just go on the inside. There's a little switch, or I don't want to say it's a switch, it's like a clip on the inside, but it holds that helmet lens in, and then that pops right out. So there's just the shell itself. So on the inside you can see 9100 XXI, our serial number here, so if you ever have any warranty, anything, you just give them that number and they'll be sure to get it all under warranty. It's got your cheater lens rack in there so you can slide your cheater lens down in, but you can see here 9 to 13, and then you just hold it for 2 seconds. If you want to do it this way, and you can go 5 and 8. So that's for your grinding or your cutting, mainly cutting, and then we'll go over to that. But like I said, it's got that external button that you hit, and it'll change that over there. You got sensitivity and delay, and then you got a little battery life here. Just tells you when the battery's getting low, it'll blink. But very simple hood, very popular. We see a lot of these guys out there that they know 3M. They had an older Speedglas, and that they don't cover anymore, they don't make anymore, that sort of thing, and then they jump into the 9100 XXI and they love it. They really do. They are awesome hoods. Now this thing, it was pretty revolutionary when it first came out, because it would fit a filter face mask in there. It's got the little area for it, so you could close your hood down and you could wear your filter. But now, you know, obviously the newer stuff has come out since then, but still very popular. Very robust hoods. Everything just goes back together on the front end of that. Get it all back in there. But all in all, awesome hood. They hold up well. Can't say anything really bad about this thing. Obviously, you got to tighten your headgear. That's a little different, but it holds up good. It's a nice flush thing. It's not some big knob hanging out there, so you can obviously get in some tight places. It's got a little bit of a flex to it, so you can get in tighter places as well. But not much I can say bad about that. I mean, really, it is a nice hood. Let's try on the headgear. So this was pretty revolutionary too when it all came out. That headgear was one of their newer designs, and it does fit very nicely. I got to tighten that up a little bit. Well, even when you drop it down, you got a big viewing range right here, so you can see. I mean, it is very nice all the way around. If you guys got any questions, comments about the 9100 XXI, please leave them down below. We'll do our best to answer them. Thanks again for watching. Stay tuned for some more.